In this video, I will show you how you can enable edge lighting for notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notifications, just tap on Notification Pop-up Style, and from here, just make sure you select Brief. After you select Brief, then tap on Add Lighting Effect. And from here you can select an edge lighting effect which you prefer. Now all the edge lighting effects over here except for glitter support color changing. Now for example, I would select an edge lighting style. Let's say if it is this one. Now if I tap on color, I will be able to change the color of the edge lighting style. Just tap on color, and from here you can select a color. After that, just tap on advanced, and from here you can increase or decrease the transparency of the edge lighting effect. You can increase or decrease the thickness of the edge lighting style, and also you can increase or decrease the duration of the edge lighting style. Now once you have configured your edge lighting to however you want, after that just tap on done. Now if I go to the lock screen and if I receive a notification, as you can see we have successfully enabled edge lighting on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.